Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating a small corner of the film to soften the adhesive. This reduces tearing and makes lifting easier. Use a heat gun on low and a soft towel under your hand to control pressure. Once warmed for a few seconds, slide dental floss or fishing line under the film and use a gentle sawing motion. You do this to separate film from paint without stress. Make sure to keep the heated area small and move slowly so the adhesive doesn't smear. You maintain a steady peel angle, ideally around 45 to 90 degrees, so the adhesive stretches away cleanly rather than tearing. If the film resists or becomes stringy, reapply heat for a few seconds and continue. This lowers adhesive viscosity and prevents paint lift. Once a panel is free, apply 70% isopropyl to a microfiber and wipe adhesive residue in overlapping passes. You allow the solvent to... You finish by thoroughly cleaning the area. Clay bar to remove tiny particles, then inspect for scratches or adhesive remnants. If the surface is dull, a light polish at low speed will restore gloss. Go gently to avoid removing clear coat. Once satisfied, wash with soap and water and apply wax or sealant to protect the paint. If you notice any paint lifting or uneven finish, stop and seek professional help. Continuing risks permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.